Guys, these are strawberry Jello shots. Look at the bottle featuring our new Tipsy Bartender Premium Margarita Mix. So we cut limes in half, okay, and then we take out the pulp. Guys, this Margarita Mix is awesome, okay? Super, super, super delicious. So once you take out the pulp, all right, you put that aside and let's get onto the mix. We have hot water, Jello, the way you make Jello shots typically. Let it cool down a bit, okay? And then you add in some tequila and then you come behind with the Tipsy Bartender Premium Margarita Mix. Guys, this one is revolutionary because it is so smooth. There is no margarita on the market that is as smooth as this one. All right, we pour our mix into our limes, okay? And then we put it in the fridge. Once they harden, you take them out, cut them in half. All right? Guys, I want you to try this. Just get a bottle and drink it by itself without tequila just to see how smooth it is. Beautiful. Look at those. Those are awesome. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Strawberry margarita Jello shots. And I just heard some very important news. Bobby, you were saying something about Jello shots?
These are my first ever Jello shots with Tipsy Bartender.
And how long have you been on the show?
A long time, guys. I've even got gray hairs now.
But I gave us special Jello shots, okay? Because this is the first Jello shots we're making, featuring our brand new Margarita Mix, okay? Natural fruit juices, okay? Real cane sugar, all right? And no high fructose corn syrup because nobody's drinking that stuff anymore, okay? You don't want any high fructose corn syrup in your drink, you know what I mean? Taste!
Let's go. Mmm. These are good. Where are you?
I don't know. I mean, guys, she's not lying, okay? Because like I've seen her acting skills. She's good, okay? But these really, really delicious. And the cool thing about this, right, is this really, really smooth. Because whenever I make a drink with this, I always like to show you that I just drink this straight from the bottle. Because it's that smooth. You can't do that with a regular margarita mix. This other stuff that you see in the store, because they're too thick and syrupy and they really bad. Because on Tipsy Bartender, for the last few years, if you guys watch, we kind of move away from margarita mixes, just using, you know, kind of go a little bit more natural, but dude, this falls right in line with that because it's super, super smooth. So I need you guys to go to cocktail-artists.com to find a store nearby you that sells this, okay? It's delicious. Just the one with the handsome guy on the bottle, okay? You can just walk in and be like, hey, where's this sexy dude on the bottle? And they probably give you this, okay? If they don't, then the guy's wearing glasses and he hasn't seen it yet. All right? The cameraman laughing. Stay tipsy, my friends, stay tipsy. Get one of these in your house, okay? Because this is the ultimate party margarita mix, okay?
Oh, break it down, break it down. Hey.